Hello viewer, in this session I am going to solve the 13th and 14th problem of exercise 5.2 of NCERT textbook. Now the 13th problem says that how many 3-digit numbers are divisible by 7? We have to find the number of 3-digit numbers which are divisible by 7. Here we have not been given the arithmetic progression. So first let us find the arithmetic progression. So if you see the 3-digit numbers, the least 3-digit number which is divisible by 7 is 105. So 105 is the least 3-digit number divisible by 7. The next 3-digit number divisible by 7 is 112. Just add 7 to this 105, you will get 112. Now add 7 to this 112, you will get 190 and so on. And the last 3-digit number which is divisible by 7 is 994. 994. So this is the last 3-digit number which is divisible by 7. So this is the required arithmetic progression. So first element is 105, second element is 112 and so on, and the last element is 994. Now let us take this is as T1, this is T2, this is T3 and this is Tn. So nth term is nothing but 994, which is the last term of this arithmetic progression. Now let us find A. A is equal to T1 is equal to 105. Let us find the common difference. D is equal to T2 minus T1. This is equal to 112 minus 105. This is equal to 7. Now we got the values of the first term and the common difference. Now let us find the value of n. So this is nothing but the last term of this arithmetic progression. We assumed it to be Tn. So Tn, we know that the formula for Tn, that is the formula for the nth term of an arithmetic progression is a plus n minus 1 into d. So this is equal to, in this situation, the nth term is nothing but 994. So let us substitute the values of a and d in this equation. So this is nothing but a value is nothing but 105 plus n minus 1 into d is nothing but 7 is equal to 994. So if you take this 105 to the other side, it will become minus 105. So n minus 1 into 7 is equal to 994 minus 105. So if you expand this, 7n minus 7 is equal to 889, right? So 7n is equal to, if you take this 7 to the other side, it will become 889 plus 7 is 896, or n is equal to 896 by 7. This is equal to 128. Therefore, the number of terms, that is the value of n, is equal to 128. So this is the required answer. So there are total 128 terms in this arithmetic progression. That means total there are 128 3-digit numbers which are exactly divisible by 7. Now let us see the 14th problem. The 14th problem says that how many multiples of 4 lie between 10 and 250. So between the number 10 and 250, how many multiples of 4 lie? Multiples of 4 is nothing but the numbers which are exactly divisible by 4. So the least multiple of 4 between 10 and 250 is 12. So first we got the first term of the arithmetic progression. Here we are not being given the arithmetic progression. We have to first form the arithmetic progression. Then we have to find the number of terms. So first element is nothing but 12. After 12 you add 4 to this 12. 12 plus 4 is 16. So the second term is 16. You add 4 to the 16, you will get 20. So the third term is 20 and so on. It goes on like that. The last multiple of 4 less than 250 is nothing but 248. So 248 is the last term of this arithmetic progression. So now we can take this 12 as T1, this is as T2, T3 and this we can, last element 248 we can take it as Tn. So first A, let us find A. A is nothing but equal to T1 is equal to 12. Now let us find the value of D. D is equal to that is common difference is equal to T2 minus T1. This is equal to 16 minus 12 is equal to 4. Now we got the first element, that is A, and the common difference. Now let us find the value of n. So we know that we have taken that 248 is the nth term. So we know the formula for the nth term. Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. This is equal to 248. So let us substitute the value of A and D in this equation. So A is nothing but 12 plus n minus 1 into the value of D is 4 is equal to 248. So if you take this 12 to the other side, it will become minus 12. So I will open the brackets. 4n minus 4 is equal to 248 minus 12. So 4n minus 4 is equal to 248 minus 12 is nothing but 236. If here I have minus 4, if I take this minus 4 to the other side, it will become plus 4. So 4n is equal to 236 plus 4 is equal to 240. Therefore, 4n is equal to 240, or n is equal to 240 by 4. This is equal to 60. So therefore, the value of n is equal to 60. That means between the numbers 10 and 250, there are 60 numbers which are multiples of 4. So there are total 60 numbers between 10 and 250 which are exactly divisible by 4. So the value of n is equal to 60. So this is the required answer. So I hope that you liked this session, and if you want to see all my videos on arithmetic progression, I have given the URL for my channel in the description below. So please go through all the videos of my channel, and don't forget to share this video to your dear ones, and don't forget to subscribe my channel, and please share this video to your dear ones. Thank you for watching this video till the end. Have a nice day.